a quick video of why you should normally wait a little bit longer because it's a lot nicer when you do it in this kind of weather, because nobody wants to do it when it's warm out. There were some plans of maybe going camping again this year. I don't know if that's going to happen. It's a little bit breezy, as you can probably tell. Why winterizing in the summer months is a little bit better. Stepping over the truck here, got power, got the furnace going to try and not die and freeze inside the trailer. This is a Shadow, can't see, Shadow Cruiser, windier than hell. You're gonna need to do a few things out here, but I just thought I'd give you a little intro because it's a really nice time to do the winterizing in your trailer. In the warm months, especially in early October when it's beautiful out. Have a good one. Holy smokes, pretty breezy out. Anyhow, I've got everything all hooked up. I've done the inside. That's all good. So you get the pump line down here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the unit. So that's got some antifreeze ready to go. Bypass the water heater. Now I'm gonna go outside again. Hang on a second here. I gotta get ready for this. Oh, it's all right. Here we go. Round two. Oh yeah, it's even better than before. It's really beautiful out, let me tell you. Oh, it's so sunny. Okay, well, the winds have died down. It's only about 80k, I guess, now, so that's pretty good. We're gonna do the outside bar, because, you know, gotta have water in the summer. Oh yeah. Got that puppy up. Bring this thing out. So we just got to run the taps out here until she starts going pink. Pink, pink, pink. Wait for the pink. There's the pink. There we go. It's pretty nice in between the trailers, let me tell you. It's not as bad as it is right here. Or, hang on. Oh yeah, sounds so. Out by nice. Okay, so now we got all the we got the inside stuff done. It's the easy part. Let's take you around to the heater, the water heater. After about 16 minutes of finding which socket, oh, she's all full of snow. Finding the right socket, and I don't have any 1-inch. Shadow Cruiser needs a 1-inch, just so you know, and an extender. Didn't bring one, so I figured bring a 1 1/4 or 24 mils torque. That worked. So there she is. She's all drained. See this little spot right here? You gotta take the anode rod out of there, and then it drains. Oh shit! There goes the thing. It's a little breezy. Stuff flies out of your hands. Okay, so I gotta get this thing back together. This kind of fell off. I don't know if that's supposed to fall off. I don't think it's supposed to. Let's put her back in. Can't really see much because it's all slush. Okay, closed up. Let's go over here to the bar. Look at it. Who doesn't want to go camping? I'm going camping. Okay, back to the sink. Outside sink. You gotta run pink. Running pink. Gotta run pink. Don't forget the hot. See? Look at that. Still got clear stuff in there. Now it's pink. Oh, shit, that's a problem. Something fell behind there. Oh, that's the headbanger foamy things. These things. A little tip for you. Put these on your, on this damn thing. When these things come out, put it on there so you don't hit your damn head. I hit my head every damn time on this stupid thing. But anyhow, let's now I gotta try and get that out. You can see it down there. It won't close. Yeah, it's a nice day for it, so I'll just reach in here. Get my arm stuck in the, oh, I think I got it. Got it. Holy crap, that's windy. Okay, hang on. Now we gotta drain this. What you wanna do in the winter time is get your hands in some nice cold water. So, oh God, we'll drain that if it does. She's draining slow, probably because it's full of ice. That's why you do this in the summer. That's slow draining. That's okay, we need some down there too. Get that out of there. Run a little bit more. A little bit more. Look at that, we're pink everywhere. My wife's gonna be so happy because everything's okay. Now we gotta do the one thing you gotta don't forget. Close this. That's important. Yeah, why are you still running? Uh-oh. No, we're good. Oh, the latch is frozen. There we go. Got that good. That bad boy in there. Close the door before you get a snowdrift inside there. That's important. Now, don't forget. Ow. Hang on. Don't forget the city connection. The city connection. Some trailers don't need to do it. I didn't need to do it last year in the old trailer because for some reason it didn't. Nothing problems. This year, the old Shadow Cruiser froze and blew out. That was awesome. So I'm gonna go over there. Okay. The wind's picking up. Making fun. Now, I don't know if this is necessarily how you're supposed to do it, but I looked at a YouTube video last night. And one guy did it that way, so that's got to be valid. Okay, so here, hang on a second. Look at this. You see that? That's a frickin' snowdrift. It's awesome. Let's find. This is nice. This is the way to do it. Wintertime. Okay. Let's find the spray port. I don't know if we can see that. City water connection. This bugger. Open this up. Okay. See this thing here? You're supposed to take that out somehow. Sure. Hey, look at that. I think, nope. Push her in a little bit. Yeah, this is easy. Real simple in the minus 40 degree weather. Okay, I'm lying. It's only -2, but if I exaggerate, it makes it funnier. Come on! Hey, look at that! Holy shit, I did it. I mean, sorry. Poop. I can't swear. It's there. There's the thing. Okay, see that? This is gonna spray out, I think. Can't remember. I don't know. But this thing is a problem. So I'm gonna put a little bit of stuff in there. I'm gonna funnel it in. Maybe that'll work. But anyway, I'm gonna take this out, put it in my pocket, lose it for next year, and I won't find it. I'll put it somewhere in the trailer, and I guarantee I won't find it, so I'll have to buy another one next year anyway. So look at this video in March. I'll set a reminder. Okay. So, just about done. I think that it's getting worse out. I'm not gonna lie. It's supposed to get nicer. Sure. So what I did was I put the that little funnel that I had, and I put it in the dooflicky there, the city water connection, and I just funneled a little bit into that hole, just to get it some on the outside. And then I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna disconnect the city water pipe there in the inside. So if it does blow out, it'll extend or expansion the pipe. Yeah, I highly advise this. I'm not gonna lie, it's invigorating. So I've had the truck run the whole time, spent about 46 liters of gas just to keep mildly warm. Okay, going back to the trailer. Shoot that thing. Okay, so in here, I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna set this up somehow. That seems to be okay. And here's where the city water connection thing is. I'm gonna unscrew these 4 little screws. Trailer's shaking. Just, I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. Back and forth. It feels like it's a monsoon out there. Well, I guess it's a blizzard. It's kind of a winter monsoon. These 4 screws come on. Whoa, there we go. Panel. down. So inside, I don't know if I even need to do this. Do. There's a whole bunch of stuff. This right here is the city connection. I think I need to disconnect one of those bad boys. I believe it's that one. Oh yeah, that's a problem. Is that pink? Nope, but it's water. We'll get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. I think it's a good idea to take that off. This is where the pump is, in case you didn't know. That's the pump. The beauty of the Shadow Cruiser that I do like is it's got a valve there. See that line runs into the little tank. You just switch that over. That's kind of sweet. Some other trailers don't have that. They quite often you have to disconnect all that stuff, but this one's got a switch on it, so that's pretty good. Okay, back in here. She's leaking like a sieve, babe. Oh yeah, it's pink, so it's good. So that's the one that I just poured all the crap into. Oh, it's really leaky. Uh-oh. Maybe I need some more than that. And I get a pail. Leaking a lot. Need a bucket. That's a bucket. It's got holes in it, so that's no damn good. Where's the bucket? When you need a bucket. Can't find a bucket anywhere. No bucket. So bring a bucket. That's a good idea. I would bring a bucket with you. Because I don't have one. There's one. Let's use this bad boy. Whole bunch of crap in there. We'll get rid of that. Soft soap. Never have enough soft soap. Greenworks multi-surface cleaner, eh? Okay, there we go, bucket. Oh, furnace thing. Almost wiped that off the wall. Everything's good. We're good. That's gonna be a problem. Bucket don't fit. Okay. Never mind then. We won't use that bucket. We'll use this stuff. Paper towel, eh? Okay. Soaking up the green pink stuff. I could have just, I'm guessing, disconnected it and not done anything. But you know, live and learn. Just bloody well take the stupid thing off instead of doing whatever I was doing there. All I have to do is disconnect it probably. Hopefully those other lines aren't a problem. Well, I always say RTFM. You can look that up if you don't know what that means. But just for the record, this is the only thing I screwed up last time, was this. That's it, one thing. That's pretty good. And I didn't even do it in the winter. Okay. Getting in there. This thing's gotta be drained by now. Holy mackerel. Nope, still running like crazy. Oh, there's quite a bit. Quite a bit in there. Oh. Falling on my forehead. Spider. Oh yeah, look at that. So that's the right one. Oh shit, there we go. Hang on. Water emergency. Get all this cleaned up and it'll be hunky-dory. Mess, but hey, you know what? I know how to do it now. Later. That's it. Here. This is it. That's the last hose. Take that off. Away she goes. Drained it all out. Lots of extra water. Gonna leave all this stuff like this so next year I just know what to put back together. Bring the coffee machine home. What else? That's it. Clean up. So, in closing, do it when it's warm. Later.